Standard 8th Subject Geography. Lesson number 1, Local Time and Standard Time. Different longitudes have different timing for sunrise, noon and sunset. When it is noon at Mumbai, it wouldn't be the same at Kolkata because Kolkata lies to the east of Mumbai. It would already be afternoon in Kolkata. The local time of a place on the earth's surface is determined with reference to its noon time. This implies that places lying on the same longitude have the same local time. There is no difficulty when local time is used for a small area. When people living in a larger area across different longitudes have to interact with each other, then using the local time could lead to chaos and confusion. In such cases, using the local time is not convenient. The Earth takes almost 24 hours to complete one rotation, that is 360 degree. The Earth rotates by 360 degree divided by 24 hours is equal to 15 degree in 1 hour around its own axis. The Earth takes 60 minutes divided by 15 degrees is equal to 4 minutes to cover 1 degree. This means that for each degree of longitude, the local time differs by 4 minutes. The local time of a place can be calculated with reference to the time at the prime meridian. We can understand this through one example. Mashhad, a town in Iran, is located on the 60 degree east longitude. When it is 12 noon at Greenwich, calculate the local time of Mashhad town. Statement: as we move towards the east of the prime meridian, the local time increases by 4 minutes for every longitude. The difference between the longitudes of Greenwich and Mashhad is equal to 60 degree. Difference in local time is equal to 60 multiplied by 4 is equal to 240 minutes. Then we have to divide 240 minutes by 60 minutes. The answer would be 4 hours. The time at Mashhad would be 4 p.m. We have studied that the local time is different in different parts of the world. The daily routine of the people there is determined according to the local time in those places. There is one map given in figure 1.3 which shows the local times of different longitudes. We have to study this map and answer some questions. First question is, between which longitudes does the region experience daytime? Answer is 90 degree west to 90 degree east. Second question is, which longitudes experience noon and midnight respectively? The answer is 0 degree longitude experiences noon and 180 degree longitude experiences midnight. Third question is, Edward from New Orleans is on which longitude? The answer is 90 degree west longitude. Fourth question is, what is the time at Accra city? Answer is 12 noon. Next question is, at the same time, what is Sharad from Patna and Yakaito from Japan doing? What time is it in these cities? The answer would be, Sharad would be returning from school and Yakaito would be preparing to sleep. In Patna it would be 6 p.m. and in Japan it would be 9 p.m. Children, you have to see this map and try to find out the answers. When the sun is directly overhead at a place on the earth, it is noon over there. While telling the time between midnight and noon, we put AM in front of the time. This means anti-meridian. When the longitudes cross the noon time, then the time is past midday or afternoon. The time in between noon and midnight is denoted by PM, means post meridian. Longitudes lying to the east of any longitude are ahead of the time at that longitude, while those lying to the west are behind. As the distance between two longitudes increase, their local times also starts differing. If we multiply the difference between longitudes in degrees by 4 minutes, then the difference in the respective local times can be calculated. The difference in longitudes can be known with the help of a globe or map. Thank you.